Hi everyone, I'm going to show you guys how to integrate 2x plus 3 over root 3 plus 6x minus 9x squared. So what I'm going to first do is I'm going to write 3 plus 6x minus 9x squared in a completing square format. So I could write this as, so what I'm going to first do is I'm going to take minus 9 out. So I could write it like this, right? Minus 9 into x squared minus 6 over 9x minus 3 over 9, right? So now I'm going to rewrite this as 2 over 3, and let's just leave it as 3 over 9. Okay, so now when writing it as completing square format, you should know, now you write minus 9, just put a square bracket, and then you write x minus 2 over 3 divided by 2. So it's going to be 1 over 3 in brackets squared minus 1 over 3, the term you have inside the brackets, squared minus 3 over 9. Okay, now it's going to be minus 9 into x minus 1 over 3 brackets squared minus 1 over 9 minus 3 over 9, giving us negative 4 over 9. Now you expand the brackets and you get 4 minus 9 into x minus 1 over 3 in brackets squared. Now if you want to take 9 inside the brackets, it's going to be 4 minus, now when 9 goes inside the brackets of a squared term, you should know it's going to be square rooted. So it's going to be x minus 1 over 3 in brackets into 3. So it's going to be 3x minus 1 squared. So this right here is the completing square format of 3 plus 6x minus 9x squared. So now if you guys need a detailed explanation of how you do these, please drop a comment. I'll make a separate video if you guys don't get of what I did over here, because completing squares is a different lesson. So there are a bunch of steps you need to follow to come to this solution, to get this solution. So it's going to be 2x plus 3 over root 4 minus 3x minus 1 in brackets squared. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 4 outside. So when I take 4 outside from the root, it's going to be 1 over 2, right? So 1 over root 4, so it's 1 over 2 into 2x plus 3 over root 1 minus 3x minus 1 squared over 4, right? Since I took 4 out. Now I could write these terms as 3x minus 1 over 2 in brackets squared, right? It's the same thing. Now let's take a substitution of u equals 3x minus 1 over 2. So I'll write, so before we go any further, let's break this fraction down. So 1 over 2, you take it outside, and you should integrate 2x over root 1 minus 3x minus 1 over 2 bracket squared dot dx plus 3 over root 1 minus 3x minus 1 over 2 bracket squared dot dx. So now we broke them down. So if you take the substitution above, you can see du over dx equals to 3 over 2. So then 2 over 3 du equals dx, right? And if 3x minus 1 equals to 2u. 3x equals 2u plus 1, and x equals 2u plus 1 over 3. But since we have 2x over here, we'll have to multiply. Let me just take it onto the next page. So we have u equals 3x minus 1 over 2, right? So you can write 2u equals 3x minus 1, and 2u plus 1 equals 3x, and 2u plus 1 divided by 3 equals x. Oh, and you can also see, so if I expand the bracket with half, you can see this will cancel off, so you'll just end up with x over there, and we can take half inside the brackets and write it down there. So yeah, so x equals to 2u plus 1 over 3. So now let's go into the integral. So instead of x, I'm going to write 2u plus 1 over 3. You can take it out. You can write it like that. Root 1 minus, instead of 3x minus 1 over 2 brackets squared, you can write u squared. And instead of dx, you can write 2 over 3 du. Right? So you can take 2 over 3 outside, it's going to be 2 over 9 into 2u plus 1 over root 1 minus u squared dot du. That's one integral, and the other integral is going to be plus, now we have 3 over here, we can take it out, so it's going to be 3 over 2 into the integral of 1 over root 1 minus u squared dot, instead of dx, I'm going to write 2 over 3 dot du. You can see these two cancel off. You can see the 3 cancels off and the 2 cancels off. So this is what you get. So let's expand 2 over 9 with the numerator, and you can see you'll have 4u over 9 into root 1 minus u squared dot du, and you'll have plus 2 over 9 integral of 1 over root 1 minus u squared dot du. Right, now you can see I can add this term with this term, right? So our final integral would be 4 over 9, you take it out, u over root 1 minus u squared dot du plus, so 2 over 9 plus 1 plus 11 over 9 to the integral of 1 over root 1 minus u squared. This is your final integral. Now let's do the integral. If you focus on this, let's take a substitution of t equals u squared. So then dt over du equals 2u, right? So then dt over 2u equals du. So you go back into your integral, 4 over 9 into u over root 1 minus, instead of u squared I'm going to write t, and instead of du I'm going to write dt over 2u. The u's cancel off, and you can see 4 cancels off with 2, so it's 2 over 9. So it's 2 over 9 with the integral of 1 minus t to the power, where in brackets to the power negative half. Now this is an easy integral. All you have to do is just add the powers minus half plus 1 over minus half plus 1 into 1 over the coefficient of t, minus 1. So we have negative 2 over 9 into 1 minus t in brackets to the power half over 1 over 2. And so 1 over 2 when it comes up, so basically this is going to be 4 over 9. So negative 4 over 9. And when you put t back in, it's going to be negative 4 over 9 in brackets, negative 4 over 9 into 1 minus, and instead of t I'm going to write u squared to the power half plus, now the integral of this is going to be sine inverse u, right? Straight away you can get that answer, because you have to know that the integration of 1 over root 1 minus u squared is sine inverse u. Well, if you guys don't know how to get it, you guys can drop a comment, help you guys out. I can make a separate video on that. But in your exams, these type of integrals would be there in your formula sheet. So it would be 11 over 9 into sine inverse u, right? So plus 11 over 9 sine inverse u plus c. Don't forget your plus c. So now we had the substitution of u equals 3x minus 1 over 2. So you can put that in. So it's going to be 11 over 9 sine inverse 3x minus 1 over 2 minus 4 over 9 in brackets 1 minus 3x minus 1 over 2 bracket squared power half plus c. This is your final. So if you guys have any doubts, please drop a comment. I'll help you guys out. And if you guys like my teaching, leave a like and subscribe. Now this question has a bunch of things that that you guys have to know before doing, like this integral over here and the completing square method. So if you guys have any doubts regarding that, please drop a comment. Alright, so that's everything for this question. Have a great day. Thank you so much.